Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something important that happened yesterday involving a Delta training car. We're diving into a topic that might make some of us a little nervous, but it's incredibly important for all drivers, especially those just starting out. We're talking about what can happen even when you're doing everything right during a driving lesson. We're focusing on a situation that occurred on Doncaster Road, where a student of mine was practicing a right turn onto Breck's Lane. As the student approached the traffic lights, they diligently followed the MSPSL routine: mirror, signal, position, speed, look. This is the standard, safe procedure we teach to ensure every maneuver is executed with care and awareness. While the intention was to make a safe turn, an unexpected event unfortunately led to a collision. It's crucial to remember that learning to drive is a journey, and sometimes, even with the best preparation and adherence to safety protocols, unforeseen circumstances can arise. The most important thing in these moments is to remain calm, assess the situation, and prioritize safety. Thankfully, everyone involved was unharmed, which is always our primary concern. It's a stark reminder that even with the most diligent student, someone who meticulously follows every rule, checks their mirrors constantly, and takes every precaution, accidents can still occur. This isn't to scare you, but to emphasize the unpredictable nature of the road and the absolute necessity of preparedness. That's precisely why having a dash cam is so incredibly useful. In the unfortunate event of an incident, a dash cam provides an objective record of what happened. This can be invaluable for insurance claims, helping to clarify fault and streamline the process, ensuring you're treated fairly. It's a small investment that offers significant peace of mind and practical support when you need it most. This incident serves as a valuable reminder for all of us, whether we're learners or experienced drivers, about the importance of constant vigilance on the road. We learn from every experience, and this will undoubtedly be a significant learning moment for the student, reinforcing the need for adaptability and quick thinking. We're here to support our students through every step of their learning process, and that includes learning from these challenging situations too.